To fix Fingerprint Doesn't Match error on Samsung phone. Full guide. Make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So guys, in this video, I'll show you many different working methods, explained step by step in easy ways. So let's start from the beginning. Clean your finger and the sensor. If there's dirt on your finger and phone sensor, it can cause recognition issues. So please make sure to follow this step seriously. Next, hold the power button and press restart. This can fix small problems with the fingerprint sensor. If still fingerprint doesn't match error coming, then don't worry. Go to settings. Find and open biometrics and security. Press on fingerprints. Enter your PIN or pattern. Press fingerprints and delete old fingerprints. Then press add fingerprint and register again. Old fingerprint data might be corrupted. Adding a new one can fix the issue. Also, register the same fingerprint twice to improve accuracy. This helps the sensor recognize your finger better from different angles or with different pressure levels. If still fingerprint doesn't match error coming, then don't worry. This is just the beginning. Go back to settings. Scroll down and press about phone. Then go to software update. Press download and install. Sometimes bugs in outdated software cause errors. Updates often fix these, so if an update is available, install it right away. If your phone uses on-screen fingerprint sensor, check for issues with the screen protector. Thick or damaged screen protectors can block the sensor. Try removing or replacing it. If the fingerprint doesn't match error still shows up after trying everything, go to settings. Scroll down to general management. Press on reset. Choose Factory Data Reset. This will delete everything on your phone and return it to its original state when you first bought it. Apps, settings, files, and accounts will all be removed. So again, make sure to back up your data before doing this. Comments which method worked for your device. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.